Hello and welcome to True Review, where we take a look at random products that I buy and give them an honest review. Today we're going to be looking at the Echelon lockpicking set sold at Covert Instruments. As you can see, came in this nice case. Interesting part is it has magnetic here on the back. The price of this was $50, and we're going to be seeing if it's worth that. I've had it for about a year now, and it has held up, but I'm going to show you a little bit about how it works and picking a lock. We got a master lock here, completely locked. When I started and originally bought this, I was never picked a lock before. So for a beginner set, it worked pretty well for me. There's a bunch of different thicknesses on these, and this is definitely not a review on how to use this set, but rather showing how it works even for somebody who has no idea what they're doing. Let's try the 20 pick. And just like that, it's open. As I had no experience in using one of these before, it's pretty easy for a beginner to pick up the hobby with these. It also has a short pick, two different types of rakes, a dimple rake, and just a straight key also. And then I believe this is for the dimple rake as well here. Goes with that. The RFID reprogrammable card. Never used that, don't know how that works. Overall though, I give this product pretty good review, 4 stars. Price is a little high, but compared to other sets, it's not that bad. And that is my review.